In this video, we'll dive into how to use Salesforce reports for sales analysis, and I'll show you why it's one of the most powerful tools for driving sales performance. Stick around until the end to get some pro tips on how you can take full advantage of Salesforce reports and start boosting your sales efforts immediately. First off, Salesforce reports are an essential tool for analyzing your sales data and tracking performance across all your teams and regions. You can customize reports to focus on the exact data that matters most to your business. Whether you're looking at closed deals, leads, or opportunity stages, Salesforce lets you break everything down to a granular level. Next thing to know is that Salesforce has built-in report types, which means you don't have to start from scratch. You can use standard report types like opportunities, accounts, or leads, depending on what you need. This helps you build reports quickly without having to manually input everything. Now, let's talk about filtering. One of the key strengths of Salesforce reports is the ability to filter data. You can filter by a range of criteria such as date, lead source, sales rep, or deal size. This allows you to zero in on the specific data points that can provide actionable insights. For example, you can filter by close date to forecast upcoming sales or by region to see how different territories are performing. The fourth thing to mention is grouping. Grouping your data in Salesforce reports is an easy way to categorize information to spot trends. You can group by sales rep to see individual performance or by product to see which items are selling best. The grouping helps you visualize the data and find patterns that might otherwise go unnoticed. After grouping, you've got the option to use summary fields to provide a higher-level overview of your sales data. These can include things like total sales or average deal size, which give you a snapshot without needing to dive into the details. Another useful feature is dashboards. Once you've built your Salesforce report, you can use dashboards to visualize that data. Dashboards are perfect for creating a more visual sales analysis. You can add charts, graphs, and tables to quickly see trends and areas where your sales team might need to improve. The next thing that's key to remember is report scheduling. Salesforce lets you schedule reports to be automatically generated and emailed to you or your team. This ensures that your sales team gets up-to-date information regularly without you having to manually run reports every day. And finally, let's touch on report sharing. If you need to collaborate with other team members, Salesforce makes it easy to share reports. You can give others access to view or edit reports, which helps when multiple people need to weigh in on sales strategies or performance. If you've never tried Salesforce before, you can get started with a completely free trial and exclusive bonuses from the first link below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this chance to access a tool that can elevate your sales analysis and drive results. Now that you've got the essentials for using Salesforce reports for sales analysis, you can start leveraging this powerful software to make more informed decisions and optimize your sales strategies. Don't forget to check out the link below to access an extended free trial.